Let's take a look at job analysis procedures. Job analysis usually collects information about a specific task or behavior. A group of tasks performed by one person makes up a position. Identical positions make a job, and broadly similar jobs combine into a job family. The US federal government, one of the biggest users of job analysis data, has developed a step by step approach to conducting conventional job analysis. The result of the steps is a stable workplace where the division from one job to the next is clear with little overlap. In this workplace, jobs follow a steady progression in a hierarchy of increasing responsibility, and the relationship between jobs is clear. So, how to qualify for a promotion into a higher level job makes sense to most people. While some argue that such a traditional, stable structure is a shrinking part of the workplace landscape, such structures nevertheless persist in varying degrees in many large organizations. The Federal Department of Labor's description of conventional job analysis provides a useful how to guide.